But for the most part, bullish day. But I guess people were taking profits at this point. You feel me? So you got some profit taking going on, especially with this topping out at the top of the range. And then once you see some profit taking, some topping out, you're also gonna have day traders or people trading intraday or scalpers, just trying to fade it from up there as well, which would cause some more downward pressure on the price action. Or it could be the inverse. Just depends on the price action and what led up until that point. Now look at that, like volume increasing as we're going into the close. Look at that. Look at all this. Look at all this volume, and then look at this. But I mean, we topped out and started fading, but it looks like the bulls. You feel me? We're trying to fight and keep that thing propped up. But as you see this volume, look how fast that volume came in. Oh, let's go back. So look, VWAP's way down here. Look, you seen that? Look at this. Look at that. From 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. Just decent volume coming in. And the tape moving pretty fast. And again, I don't even have all the exchanges on my level 2, so it would actually be going faster than that. That's something I need to get fixed ASAP. Like, bro, I'm already up to like $43, $45 for market data. So I feel like I just need to maybe look into what data bundles I have, because I feel like that's a lot. So look at that. 10 minutes of terror. Look right there. You got about 2 minutes left. A little under 2 minutes left till market close. And look at that volume right there. Let's go back. So look, increasing volume. And you see the wick on the bottom pushing up. Look. So 250,000 about. Look at that. See. Look at this candle. And look at this volume bar. So that's about 350,000, maybe 400,000 shares. Look at that, just pushing higher. Wick on the bottom. Look at that. Now, I don't know how I have my volume configured, because as you can see, look, it was increasing volume. All right. We were putting in a higher low, but look, it's like my candle was yellow, then it turned red, and then you have a red volume bar, then it turned green, and then it just pushed up to like, look at that, 500,000. So I'd assume that's about 750,000 shares, maybe closer to 1 million shares traded. And then you see yellow on the volume bar, then red. So I need to get my volume squared away. And then you got the red there. And then look, now we're closing in on a minute left to market close. I switched to the SPY. You can kind of see it. Look at that. And that thing just jumped up to 1 million quick. Check it out. When I switch to the SPY, look. 250,000, then 500, then 750, then 1 million. And then I go to Tesla. And at this point, we have less than a minute till market close. Notice how Tesla's just super volatile. But notice how that thing found some resistance, rejected, sold off, came all the way back down here, found another bottom, then went all the way back up to the top of the range. A little double top action here with these long wicks. You feel me? Like right around there. Double top, double top. So me seeing that, even though this is kind of like some consolidation, but kind of grinding towards the upside and putting in higher lows. But take into consideration, a previous close obviously is way down here somewhere. You can't even see it. We're way above the 120, way above VWAP. I mean, that was just a run right there. I mean, whoever bought the dip right there and rolled it up to the top, I mean, dude, that was decent. And then reject, but then didn't give all of it back, putting in higher lows. and came back down here and just caught a nice bullish sequence of candles and price action off that 9. But getting back up here towards the top of this range, which obviously after seeing this and this, you have to assume that's resistance. And at this point, less than a minute left, about 40 seconds left. And again, we're Tesla still. And look at that. Look at that volume. They were trying to buy it. They were trying to buy it. And then all of a sudden they just dumped on it. Watch. See, like that thing just turned red and freaking went up. Look at that. Oh, look, 250,000 shares. And then they just start dumping on it. Look at that. Look at that. 2 million quick. And look at that thing just rejecting and dumping down. This is 30-second candles. 300,000 shares. And look, 1,600. So that's market close. Look, even 30-second candles. The thing was at 1 million. Look at Apple. 30-second candles. Volume's kind of funky on here. So I have to go in the settings and see exactly, you know what I mean, how that thing's set up. Bro, look at the size of these prints. Like right after market close, look. Look at these prints. Look at that. 23,000. Look at this. This is right at 15 seconds after market close. Look at that. 18,000. 2,100. 2,100. 2,100. Look, 157. I don't even know. may have to make this bigger. But look at these prints. 2,800, 7,800, 1,000, 23,000, 5, 21, 6, 33, 3. Like, those are huge orders. 12.8. Look at that. 31.6. Look, 217. I'm assuming that's 217,000. Here's AMC. Look, AMC even gave you some price action to trade off of. I mean, obviously it's a large cap, so these moves like this, I mean, from here to here isn't even, look, we're talking about 418, so about 420 up to 438, 440, so a 20-cent move. It looks like it's moving, but in the grand scheme of things, not that much. I mean, obviously, if you're trading with leverage, options or something, like there's obviously you feel me, gains to be had. But now look at this one, like off the 5 minute, you're talking about from about 98 down to 92 and then back up to like 96. That's range. Especially, if you're trading leveraged instruments with decent size. But yeah, just kind of wanted to try to get back into delivering some content to the finance channel, trying to bring some value back. Like I said, I'm kind of still in the stage of trying to figure out, which charting platform I'm going to use for my executions. But I mean, even so, like, obviously, there's still, price action and things that can be used to help out your trading and stuff.